Hello there, Merry Christmas. If you're watching this because you've lost your Autel drone on Christmas Day, National Drone Flyaway Day, I'm very sorry for your loss, but all is not lost. You may yet be able to find it. So here we are in the Autel Sky app. We'll hit start. My drone's just sat on the veranda right now, so it's I know exactly where it is. But you go up to settings. You scroll up, scroll up to locate my drone, and then your drone's position will appear. You can see, actually, look at the, I'm stood right next to it and see the difference in error between my cell phone GPS and the drone's GPS. I'm just a little bit further back under the roof, but I'm right next to it. So there in one example, you can see that there's going to be error if you've not got a great signal on your phone when you're looking for your drone. Remember, to get an updated GPS position, the battery still has to be connected to your drone, and it has to be the right way up. You see that working its way in. So it has to be the right way up to see the sky, and the battery still has to be connected. What will show up is the last known position if it's flown off a long way. Take yourself to that last known position and have a good look around. Again, see the difference. See as my cell phone GPS is different to the drone GPS. I'm jumping around. If I was to be using that, I'd be putting myself at least like 50 meters away. But if we were close and you had a signal, if we were connected, you see at the top where it says RC. If it was connected, as it is now, then you could enable flashing and beeping because you're going to be quite close to it. But if you're not connected, don't bother doing that because that's only going to get rid of your available battery. So if you get to a position where you can't quite see it and you have a last known position, get yourself to higher ground, walk around a long way around, see if your controller will reconnect again. If it reconnects, enable flashing and beeping. But most of all, don't lose hope. You can work out where you took off from, where your last known position is, and that's giving you a track. That might help you as well. Anyway, all the best. All is not lost. I'm sure you'll find the drone. Catch us every Tuesday at 2100 GMT for our chat of nonsense. Cheers for now.